Hi. Share China Industrial Zone. Are your industrial traders in the areas of China's industrial belt? Is there a more suitable supplier? The advantages of the industrial zone are mainly in several aspects. There are many similar factories in the industrial zone. Focused factory visits. Low communication cost for purchasing. There are many factories in the industrial zone, and the competition is big. Multiple factories compare the price, thus the price is cheaper. Concentration of raw materials and factories in the industrial zone, thus quick response and short delivery times. There are many factories and talents in the industrial zone. The competition is big. Strong product development capability. There are many factories with high standards. Product iteration belt upgrade fast. Policy and infrastructure improvement. The whole trade process is mature. Low risk. Share a relevant map of China's industrial belt. Industrial belts in China. This is the map of China. This is the products corresponding to the industrial zones of the map. This is only a portion of the screen products. This is the filtering dimension of a sourcing band manager. There are a total of 11 supplier screening dimensions, mainly for supplier screening. Furniture industry belt. It's in Foshan, Guangdong, China. Building materials industrial belt. It is in Guangzhou, China. Machinery and jewelry. It's in China's Guangdong and Dongguan. Hotel supplies. It is in Guangzhou, China. Fabrics and textiles. It's in Dongguan, China. Auto parts and metal. It's in Guangzhou and Hebei, China. Electronic products and toys. It is in China's Shenzhen and Shanghai. Motors and ceramics. It's in Foshan, China. Household appliances. It's in Foshan, China. And small commodities. It's in Yiwu, China. These are only part of the screening out. This is the screening dimension of suppliers as a professional sourcing band manager. There are 11 dimensions in total. Potential suppliers are screened. Enterprise qualification and credit. Product matching degree. Cost competitiveness. Quality and R&D capability. Production and management level. Financial health. Comprehensive risk assessment. CSR and compliance. Corporate culture and values. Then, being a procurement band manager is an industry. What is the most core? It is the ability to screen suppliers. This is the core. Because of other logistics, trade processes, payments, and so on and so forth. There are other industries that specialize in them. So to judge whether a purchasing agent is very professional, mainly to see how his screening ability is. Next, I will share more than 1,200 products in the Chinese region corresponding to the industrial belt. Industrial belts in China region. There are more than 1,200 products. These are all products. There are very many. Then these products, distributed in which regions of China? Next, it is the distribution of China's industrial belt map. Product map distribution of all industrial belts in China. Districts are distributed in these places. Let's zoom in on the map. Guangzhou, Foshan, and Dongguan. Shenzhen, Wenzhou, Ningbo, Hangzhou, Jiaxing, Wuxi. Hebei. Through this map, we find The industrial belts in China region are mainly located in Guangdong region. Jiangsu area. Zhejiang region. This is the distribution of industrial zones in Guangdong. This is the distribution of industrial zones in Zhejiang and Jiangsu. Then the distribution of the industrial belt in the Guangdong region is mainly distributed in which areas? Mainly located in Foshan, Zhongshan, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, Guangdong, Shantou, Huizhou. Then Jiangsu and Zhejiang region of the industrial belt. What are the main areas of distribution? There is Suzhou, Hangzhou, Wenzhou, Ningbo, Shaoxing, Jiaxing, Wuxi. So where are the ceramic factories with more than 10 years of operating history located in Guangdong? We found it's in Foshan, Guangdong, China. These are all factories with more than 10 years of operating history. Lamp industry. More than 10 years of operating history of the factory is mainly distributed in Zhongshan. Furniture factories with more than 10 years of operating history. Mainly located in Foshan. These are the distribution of factories in Foshan. Factories with more than 10 years of operating history in hotel supplies are mainly located in Guangzhou. Foshan. Power adapter factories with more than 10 years of operating history are mainly located in Guangdong. Sewing machines factories with over 10 years of operating history are mainly located in Jiangsu and Zhejiang. Factories with over 10 years of operating history in commodity are mainly located in Yiwu. The factories with over 10 years of operation history for metal products are mainly located in Yongkong. Factories with more than 10 years of operating history in textile products, mainly located in Shaoxing. Factories with more than 10 years of operating history in circuit breakers are mainly located in Wenzhou. Then we know the regions of China. More than 1,200 products in the industrial belt. So what's the core problem? Is the face of a large number of factories. How to screen out the most compatible factories. Need to do through these 11 dimensions of the factory to do before the aspect of screening. For example, from 500 to 1,000 factories to screen out 10 to 20 factories. Then we do offline audits, sample quality control, in-depth background check, and so on. The final selection of one or two factories that are the best match and the most competitive. These specialized screenings cannot be done by an individual. It must be a team effort. We share again. We face the supplier of Alibaba platform to determine whether he is a factory. First, find the Chinese name of this supplier's company. Check the business scope of the company's Chinese name, whether it has the production, manufacturing, research and development capabilities. Is the address of the factory in the area of the industrial belt? Instead of looking at the sales volume of the Alibaba store. The introduction of the details page. Alibaba's store level. Or ever have a successful transaction. Professional purchasing agent. He involves research capabilities, quality and inspection capability, negotiating power, follow-up production, logistics and customs clearance, risk management, technical support, comprehensive analytical assessment, judgmental ability, integration capability, as well as resources and talent. Professional purchasing agent. He is a complex and systematic industry. You need to know which product is in the industrial belt. Please message or contact me. Or open the channel's website has more detailed content. Looking forward to the next share. Goodbye.